If you haven't hopped on the SEO train and you're wondering how to get in, or you started and you're probably just looking to learn more, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Daniel and I am an SEO analyst at the Bob Africa. If you want to rank at the top of search results and earn more leads, revenue and traffic, then SEO can help. But what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization or Search Engine Optimizer. An SEO analyst is an expert that understands how search engine algorithms work and develops strategies needed to make web pages rank. While this may sound like it only requires coding and analytic skills, you might be surprised to know that SEO is both an art and a science. SEO is an art because it requires skills and creativity. It is also a science because it is a systematically organized body of knowledge that involves data, testing, and measurements. Put differently, SEO is the art of ranking pages and the science of website optimization. Now you did say, oh, we're optimizing and ranking web pages, not search engines. So website optimization would have been a better name, right? But I guess that would be a discussion for another day. Let's talk about a search engine. Yes, the term sounds familiar, and you've probably heard it several times. You know about Google, Bing, Yahoo, and the likes. But what is a search engine really? Well, according to Oxford Languages, a search engine is a program that searches and identifies items in a database that correlates to keywords or characters specified by the user. It is mostly used for finding particular sites on the World Wide Web. Every search engine uses different complex mathematical formulas and algorithms to generate search results. Search engine can return results quickly by scanning the internet continuously and indexing every page they find. The results for a search query are then presented on the search engine results, also known as SERP, starting with the most relevant website at the top of the list. Today, most businesses use search engine optimization to help search engines recognize their website as highly relevant to particular searches. What can SEO do for your business? Traffic and visibility. There are over 5 billion people visiting search engines every day. That is 5 billion searches per day. Imagine a ton of traffic you will get by appearing on the first page of the search engine results page. But don't just take my word for it. I have some mind-blowing stats to back this up. According to WebFX, 93% of online experience begins with a search engine. 95% of search page traffic goes to the first page. And 70% of users click on the results on the first page of SERP. The primary goal of every SEO strategy is to attract prospects to your website. People are continually searching for information, and it requires SEO for prospects to see your webpage. You increase traffic and visibility when you increase your ranking. You increase your ranking when your page is search engine optimized. Exciting, isn't it? SEO is cost effective. Believe it or not, you can give your business the visibility it needs without breaking the bank. SEO is cheaper when compared with other digital marketing channels. According to digitalcharts.com, 50% of marketers believe SEO is the most effective digital marketing strategy. You don't have to spend money paying for ads, discounts, and promos. WebFX backs this by stating that SEO costs between $750 and $2,000 per month, compared to pay-per-click that costs between $9,000 and $10,000 each month. Cost effectiveness aside, SEO also possesses longevity as it continues to generate traffic for you even in the future. And the best part, leads gotten from SEO are 10 times more likely to convert than leads gotten from other outbound channels. Yes, SEO provides a better conversion rate. For example, when you use rich snippets that show star ratings for reviews, carousels, thumbnail, product list ads, and your contact details, you are likely to increase the level of trust among your users. And after they see the preview, they are more likely to click on your website URL. So yes, SEO isn't just cheap. It is durable and converts better than other digital marketing channels. Brand visibility. Users love and trust the result from search engines. So ranking top of SERP is a testament to the fact that your business is credible and trustworthy. In fact, consider SEO as a long-term investment that will keep bringing in revenue. SEO is a catalyst for building brand reputation. The more visitors see your website on search engines, the more trust they have for your brand. This trust will build a strong, lasting relationship that will drive massive traffic. User experience. One thing you should know when trying to optimize your website is that search engine algorithms have been designed to rank pages with premium user experience. So basically, your website should be designed for users if you plan on getting any traffic. Features like page load speed, image size, font to fit screen, mobile accessibility, interactivity, and the overall website design play significant roles in delivering top-tier user experience. SEO can effectively improve a user's experience. A better UX means more traffic, leads, better brand reputation, more conversions, and more revenue. Make data-driven decisions. Accurate, up-to-date, and robust information could be all your business needs to succeed. SEO provides you with valuable information about your business and your customers. You can understand where and how customers are visiting your website and what they are looking for. This can help you track the activities on your website and make informed decisions with that data. With SEO, you can also gain deep insight into searchers' intent and the keywords customers are using to search for your products online. You also gain knowledge of keywords on competitors' websites, what they are ranking for, and explore other keyword opportunities to rank your pages. Do I need to hire an SEO specialist? Clients ask us at the Bob Africa, why do I need an SEO analyst if I have tools like Yoast SEO, SEMrush, and Screaming Frog? The logic behind it is the same as this. Why do you need to cook food if you have an oven? It all makes sense now, right? Doesn't it? Having access to these tools doesn't automatically make you a specialist. Having SEO tools does not eliminate the need for a specialist. An experienced specialist will know what tools to use and how and when to use them to get a website to sell. To prove my point, here are some services an SEO specialist would offer that will significantly grow your business. Website optimization. Why own a website if it cannot be found? The website is not complete until it has been optimized. By optimization, you're adding more key features and tags to your website to make it user and search engine friendly. Website optimization includes on-page, off-page, and technical optimization. A well-optimized website has a higher chance of being ranked top of the search engine results page. SEO audits. Websites tend to have errors that affect their ranking, and it takes an SEO specialist to analyze and fix these errors. A specialist will use standard guidelines to assess a website's on-page user experience, keyword density, link structure, page load speed, and create a comprehensive SEO campaign that works for your business. Keyword research and development. Search queries consist of keywords and phrases, and these keywords trigger your website to appear in relevant search results for your business. And an SEO specialist will provide you with a comprehensive keyword research plan to help you find appropriate keywords to rank your site. Content creation and strategy. You must have heard the phrase, content is king. This is because keywords and links, which are also ranking factors, are driven by content. So having quality content on your website is a significant factor for ranking at the top of SERPs. Content comes in many forms, like videos, graphics, infographics, white paper and ebooks, blog posts, and podcasts. When you create content using the right keywords, you will drive traffic to your page. An SEO specialist we provide you with data-driven keywords for your content marketing strategy that will drive massive traffic to your website. Link building. Links are another important factor for ranking your pages. Links could be internal links, external links, or backlinks, also known as inbound links. Backlinks are links from other websites, and they play a crucial role in making your web pages rank in search engines. This is because a link is a vote of confidence from other websites, and web admins are not too eager to link to other sites, especially if it's of poor quality. So the more links your site acquires, the more authority your site gains in the eyes of search engine. An SEO specialist will help you build links and relationships that will get you more links, promote your content, and drive more traffic to your web pages. Conclusion. Even with all this information, you may want to ignore SEO. But ask yourself, what is the essence of owning a business if it is not visible online? Ranking top of SEO and being found is similar to building a big house. It requires well thought out strategies and optimizations. It requires a strong foundation, which is the key word. If not, your building will collapse. You need quality sand, wood, granite, iron, and water, which is relevant content, or there will be no structure. You need cement blocks, that is links, because without them, the various building elements will not hold. Don't forget interior and exterior decoration, which is your on-page optimization, off-page, and technical optimizations. If a web page isn't optimized, it won't rank. If a prospect manages to find your website and it isn't properly optimized, guess what? They will leave without converting. Want to learn more about driving conversions, SEO, and other tech topics? Subscribe to our channel below. There is always more.